What's up, Wassup Brownie Family? It's your girl RB, and we back with another video. I say we what, sir? We back with another video. You gotta come over here.
And it's your girl Josiah.
And it's your girl Josiah, and we back with another video. Today, in this video, I'm finna be making a viral taco cups that's going around on TikTok. So if you want to see that recipe, you better stick around. But in the meantime, in between time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you can get our updates. And let's get this video started. I just punched a hole inside this turkey ground beef. I don't know. I'm into turkey ground beef now. It's good. Like, I like it better than the what is it? Beef ground beef, the regular ground beef. I like it better than that. So I'm gonna get this show on the roll. So this is our dinner, actually, Taco Tuesday. Go ahead and drop that in there like that. I just hate that they don't give you a lot of meat with the turkey. Cause that ground beef, oh baby, that ground beef, they gonna hook you up. But let me turn on my oven so I can get that started. Comment down below if you guys tried the viral taco. The viral taco cup. It's like a regular taco, but you just make it like a little cup, I guess. I don't know. But let me season my meat real quick. Y'all know the usual, complete seasoning. The best seasoning out. I'm just wasting stuff. Okay, so the meat is seasoned, and once I get the meat cooked all up, I'll be back to show you guys how it look. Alright, you guys, so I said I was gonna come back when the meat done cooking, but I forgot. I gotta cut these tortillas up. The plate clean, the spoon, the fork, the knife clean, sorry. And my muffin pans, they are clean too. So let's go ahead. I'm going to cut these into 4. Watch out, Josiah. I don't like using real knives. I be real scared because I had cut my finger before. Can you stop? And the oven is ready.
Oh, is it open?
No, it's hot in there. So I ain't doing nothing but cutting the and my hands are clean.
Mommy, can I take some of that?
No, you cannot. My hands are clean. Turn that down because I'm in recording mode, please. Go ahead. We ain't trying to get copyright. Y'all, I don't know. I should have had a pizza cutter. I went right to the store. Please move, Josiah.
Mom, please, can I take some of that?
I went right to the store and forgot to get a pizza cutter.
Please take some of yours.
Oh, here go my Pam.
Mom, can I please take some of yours?
Not right now. I'm gonna go ahead and spray these little muffin pans. Don't talk about my little muffin pans. They ain't had nothing in public, so I had to go run the Dollar Tree and get it. So I just sprayed my little muffin pans. These are clean. Just a reminder, they are clean. See, muffin pans. And now I'm going to, I don't know, I think I seen them do it like this. This is the part that I really don't know. Because y'all, this is my first time doing this. And I kind of sort of don't know what I'm doing. But I wanted to try it. So either way, it's going to be good. Where did I just get this piece from? I don't know. But I will be back once this meat done. The meat almost done. Let me show you guys. The meat is almost done. As we scramble it, the meat is almost done. So once the meat is done and I'm stuffing the shells, I will be back. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looked like. I think I sort of kind of messed it up, but oh well. edible. So now this is what this look like. I ain't even gonna lie, this look like dog food. But it's not dog food. But it looks like dog food. Yeah. And now we finna stuff the whatever this is. The tortillas. We gotta stuff the tortillas. Hopefully it comes out good. This is, like I said, my first time making it. I think I put too much in that one. I'm a little heavy-handed. Yeah. And now I'm going to add the cheese on top. And once I add the cheese on top, it'll be good to go in the oven. I don't know how long you leave the cheese in. I guess till it melt. Leave the cheese in until it melt, or to your liking, I guess. I don't know. But this is how I made it, because my kids did not help me. I'm gonna do one with yellow cheese and then a few with triple cheese. That one was the all yellow cheese. I'm just making a big old mess. I'm gonna clean it. And my oven is already on, and it's hot and ready like little shooters. Excuse the noise in the background. That's designed. Alright, so this is how it looks. And in the oven it goes. We'll be back after it comes out the oven. Okay, so this is what it came out looking like. And we're going to put our toppings on and do a taste test. Alright, let me see yours. This is how Jemiah's on look. Joy ain't decorated his yet. Josiah already started eating on hers, and Jaleel did too. So now let's do the taste test.
Okay.
Bite into it. Tell me how it tastes.
Sit down.
Josiah say it's good. What about you, Maya? Join you cold, so join you warming up right now. It's good? All right, y'all. So this is the end of our video of the viral taco cups. If you are new to our family, what they need to do, y'all?
Like, comment, hit the post notification bell, so y'all can get our update.
And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, Westie Brownie Family. Peace out.